The terms republic and democracy are often used interchangeably, but they refer to different forms of government, each with distinct characteristics. Here's a breakdown of the differences. Democracy definition. Democracy is a form of government where power is held by the people. Decisions are made either directly by the citizens, direct democracy, or through elected representatives, representative democracy. Key characteristics. Direct democracy. In a direct democracy, all citizens participate in decision-making directly, typically through voting on laws and policies themselves. This form is more practical in small communities or organizations, but less so in large modern states. Representative democracy. In a representative democracy, citizens elect representatives who make decisions on their behalf. This is the most common form of democracy in the world today. Majority rule. Democracies typically operate on the principle of majority rule, meaning decisions are made based on what most people want. However, this can sometimes lead to a tyranny of the majority, where the rights of minorities may be overlooked. Republic definition. A republic is a form of government where the country is considered a public matter, from the Latin res publica, and the head of state is an elected or nominated president, not a monarch. In a republic, the government is subject to the rule of law and is often defined by a constitution. Key characteristics. Rule of law. A republic is characterized by a government that operates under a set of laws or a constitution, which provides a framework for governance and protects citizens' rights. Elected representatives. Similar to a representative democracy, citizens in a republic elect representatives to make decisions on their behalf. However, in a republic, there are additional checks and balances to prevent any one branch of government from becoming too powerful. Protection of minority rights. In a republic, the Constitution often protects minority rights against the potential tyranny of the majority. This framework ensures that certain fundamental rights cannot be overridden by popular vote. Key differences. Focus on majority rule versus rule of law. While democracies emphasize majority rule, republics emphasize the rule of law and the protection of minority rights. Constitutional framework. Republics are often defined by their constitutional framework, which limits government power and protects individual liberties. Democracies, especially direct democracies, may not always have such a framework. Representation. Both systems involve elected representatives, but republics often have more structured systems of checks and balances to prevent any one branch or group from gaining too much power. Conclusion. In summary, the main difference lies in how power is balanced and how the government operates. A democracy emphasizes direct or representative participation of the people and majority rule, while a republic focuses on elected representatives, the rule of law, and the protection of individual rights within a constitutional framework. Many modern states, including the United States, are considered both democratic and republic, as they combine elements of both systems.